Welcome to B Solutions, a source of engineering knowledge and its applications. The topic we are going to discuss is overview of compressors. Have you ever wondered how industries power large-scale operations? It's because of compressors, which are one of the major components of an industrial facility. These are the machines designed to increase the pressure of gases, fueling processes that drive our modern world. A gas compressor is a mechanical device that increases the pressure of a gas by reducing its volume. The difference between a fan, blower and compressor is determined by the pressure ratio of these devices. The pressure ratio is defined as the ratio of outlet pressure to inlet pressure. This table illustrates the differences in the pressure ratio ranges of fans, blowers and compressors. Compressors are essential machines that power a wide range of industrial applications by increasing the pressure of gases. In natural gas networks, compressors play a crucial role in transporting gas over long distances, ensuring smooth delivery through pipelines. Industries rely on multi-stage compressors to handle high-pressure requirements efficiently, often paired with interstage coolers to maintain optimal operating temperatures. Specialized compressors are mounted on custom decks in offshore rigs, supporting oil and gas extraction. They're also vital in chemical plants for processes like gas liquefaction and storage. Beyond heavy industries, compressors power pneumatic tools, spray painting, and even HVAC systems, making them a cornerstone of modern technology. Turbocharger compressors are widely used in cars, enhance engine efficiency by compressing air, boosting power, and improving fuel economy. From energy networks to manufacturing plants, compressors keep industries moving, delivering efficiency, reliability, and performance across the globe.